Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe!
Heyo and welcome to Weekly Tips. So today I'm going over artboards again. So if you didn't know, it's easy to make an artboard by going file down here in the properties next to the style and properties of your file. If you can't find this, you might have your setup in a different way. You'll just need to open the windows. You'll need to open the layers panel and make sure that is down there in the corner. I'm sure if you do know, you know how to set this up and things like that. But if you don't know, there's heaps of stuff online. But anyway, yeah, if you just go here and you just create new artboards. Yeah, something I knew, go watch the first one just to refresh you on how to do this kind of thing, how to make artboards and why you should make them and things like that. So today I wanted to go over placing them in different ways. Now I said I would expand on this and chat on this as well. There might be a reason that you need, say, this artboard and then an artboard underneath, for some reason, and you kind of want to set up your file like the way you want to. So say if you want it 3 by 3, you got to set up the first 3 artboards and then the next 3 artboards, so forth and so forth. If you want 5 on the top layer and 5 on the bottom layer, that's a good way to go. So you have to make the first 5 artboards, but for now we're just doing 2, just so it's simple and easy to do. So basically what you do is, okay, I'll do 2 by 2, so I will do the next artboard. So we'll create a new artboard. Cool, that's your new artboard. And then we go into properties. Now what you want to do is set the Y. So the Y is where it sits on the actual file. If that doesn't make sense, just watch what I do. So I'm going to change this Y to 12 inch because the height of our artboard is 11.6. So I'm going to head to change that to 12. Now it's up to you how much gap you want. You might want to have a little bit more there, so you can put like 12.5 inch or 12.3 inch, but it depends on how you want to set things up. I think 12 inch gives you a nice enough gap. And it's not too far apart and things like that. So 12 inch, and that will move it down right there. And then you can go and hit this back to 0. Voila! And see, like I was saying there, artboard 3 is showing there, so you may want to 12.5 inch there. That gives you a little bit more room for that thing. And now when you create a new layer, create a new artboard, it will automatically go along this side. So that's why I said, it's easier to do your first 5 artboards and then continue on your next page. So yeah, that's how you pretty much set up a easy different kind of artboards. You can you can pretty much, with these properties, you can put it anywhere and anywhere. You could just for instance, artboard 2, I want to move that property, say 9.6, and maybe I want to move it upwards, so we'll go -1 inch, and there you go. You can move your artboards wherever you like and play them around with those properties. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. This has been pretty much properties of artboards, and hopefully you are clear about it. If you have any questions about it, please just let me know down in the comments and description. In the comments, sorry. If you have any questions about this, if you use artboards like this, if you think this was a helpful tip, you know, I'd appreciate I appreciate any feedback like that. Yeah, so thank you. We'll see you in the next week's video. Have a good one. Goodbye.